The 2012 Ford Focus SE, powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This front-wheel drive sedan, with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Ford features telescoping wheel, power steering, and traction control. Safety features include front and rear side airbags, 4-wheel ABS, and Advanced Track. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, cruise control, and keyless entry. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.